Welcome to lecture 5. In this session, we will learn how to make our Python programs interactive by accepting user input and displaying output. Let's begin. To get input from the user, we will use the built-in input function. It pauses the program and waits for the user to type something and press enter. Like see here. Let's create a variable name equals input, enter your name. The message inside the parenthesis acts as a prompt. The value entered by the user is stored as a string in the variable name. Now, once we collect input, we often want to display a message back to the user. The most modern and preferred way to do this is using f strings. So after taking the input like this, the next line we can write print f within quotes hello, then provide a comma, then inside curly braces provide the variable name. The f before the string allows us to embed variables directly inside the string using curly braces. It's concise and clean. Next, converting user inputs. Remember, input from the input function is always a string, even if the user types a number. So if you need to do math with input, convert it using functions like int or float, like this. Now here, age is an integer and can be used in calculations. So first we are taking the input, then we are passing this inside int function. So by that, you remember typecasting. The type of it is being changed from string to int. Now let's combine everything into a small program. Alright, so let's write here name equals input, your name, age equals int, input, your age. So here we are typecasting. Next, let's print the output. So print using f string, provide a variable, and you know that variable can be declared inside f string using curly braces. So name will be age plus 1 next year. Here we collect. Now let's run it. And there you go. So here we collect two pieces of input, converting the age into an integer, and then we use it to calculate the user's age next year. This is a great way to demonstrate both input and output in a real-world example. To wrap up, input collects data from the user and print lets us display it back. Don't forget to convert input to the correct type before using it in calculations. In the next lecture, we will explore operators and expressions, the building blocks of logic in Python. See you there.